I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering Torx T20 and T30 drivers, a flat plastic pry tool, and an 8mm socket, because correct tools prevent damage. First, fold the rear seats and slide the front seat forward. This gives clearance. Then, pry off the small side trim with the plastic tool and remove the 2 visible Torx screws. Do this now. Once the screws are out, make sure to keep fasteners in a tray. You'll need them during reassembly, and to avoid losing tiny clips. Now focus on the core attachment. Reach beneath the cushion and remove the 2 hidden bolts with the 8mm socket. An extension helps. Once bolts are loose, lift the cushion rearward slightly to expose the wiring harness. Press the plastic tab S and disconnect the connector S so you don't pull wires. Then, support the armrest and disengage it from the front bracket by sliding it rearward. This frees the rails. Make sure to note how the bracket aligns so reinstallation is straightforward. Finally, lift the armrest assembly straight up and out while keeping it level. Place it on a soft towel. Inspect the slide rails and plastic pins for wear. Clean and apply a light grease to the rails so movement is smooth. When reinstalling, reconnect the wiring harness first, align the front bracket, slide into place, and tighten bolts securely. If the armrest won't seat, check for an unseated tab or a trapped wire, one common issue that prevents full engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.